another rising star from Montego Bay. Hi, I'm Debbie. Mom and Dad arriving on a boat, but young DJ anchored by dancehall. Ayetian charting with balance.
When they hear one girl every day, one girl every day, say me name me magically appear. You see the ad-lib balance.
One girl every day. One girl every day.
Malik Tersian, the son of Haitian parents fleeing poverty and desperation. Going by the name Ayetian, he was born here. And like most youngsters his age, dancehall's his thing.
She walk with Weird.
So when you were going to school, your friends or people, classmates knew about your Haitian background?
Well, couple knew, we don't make it be known. Because I know something to brag about. My real friend them know still.
When you say it wasn't something to brag about, do you mean that you were a little sensitive about the story because basically they were fleeing from poverty, they were fleeing from just a bad scene generally?
A little bit, yes, because they must say Haiti, a poor country, this and that. You see me, we eat more than this and that. But I just what the people them can gain and get from it, you see me?
What are your parents doing now? How have they managed to establish themselves in Jamaica?
Mommy a chill right now. She do farming still, Mount Pella side. Crops, ground provision, livestock, say cow, goat and everything there. It's much better than in Haiti, as they said, We actually own acres and stuff. So say them have ownership of something. They're grateful for that. Even when figure record, before me get the breakthrough, figure record, my parents, life crops me have to take actually walk up and down through the community and sell. You see me, forget something to put on my foot when video I shoot and this and that.
Me feel fit she need it, love me need it too. Your body clean, I tell me kawaga people look. Wherever out they come like a something vehicle do. You put them wide in the eyes, me see a evil look. One girl every day a new club I get renovate. Every day, every month.
Was school your thing or you were just strictly focused on the music?
Me did have to learn, me did actually want something out of life, but when we reach a certain point, I said, sure, this not teach me what I want to know, I want to be a musician. Even the music classes, no artists now have no space in this. So I don't want to learn to play no instruments or nothing like that.
You'd be surprised. It would widen your perspective in many ways.
Well, yes, but what my voice is my instrument, I me use.
One girl every day, say me name and me magically appear. Your body take how much the bumper they wear.
His story a familiar one, going to school, but hooked by music.
Right now, half I pitney them in a school, Divo know what them go do. Them no need no flute, no drums, no piano, no, you see me?
You think that sort of sets them back?
No man, it depends.
Is it a lack of direction?
It depends on what you take from it, you see me? If you think it good, it's good. If you think it bad, try something else.
Me feel fit she need it, love me need it too. Your body clean, I tell me kawaga people look. Wherever out they come like a something vehicle do.
Listen to a lot of Cartel and Tommy Lee, some chronics.
Dance all on me everything, you see me? So I basically the vibe what I get from it.
Would you say that you're more of a rapper or a DJ?
A DJ, but I'm versatile still. Test me.
Go on.
One Ayetian, any other Ayetian a be a bomb fling. This rife, alright, me now say them things they on TV still, But watch out, weird. Me have the voice, me have the stage performance, me have the flow. I know, so me have the knowledge same way. 11 subject me have.
One girl every day. One girl every day.
Haitian want a girl song, give them a girl song. Want a reality song, give them a conscious song, you see me?
And if they want a gun song, you give them that too?
Well, a simple thing. You see me, because remember say, we're not one trick pony. Right now, it's like an elevator still. You see me, because anyway, I pull up balance. You see me? And bam, I pull up balance, same way. Balance actually balance out everything. If you're a gangster, you can't bounce to it. If you're a woman, you can't dance to it. You record in actually like 12 minutes. Easy song, easy rhythm, you know, easy lyrics, same way. I don't know if I voice, I don't know if I melody, I don't know if I flow.
Are people dancing to it?
You see it on TikTok, you see it, Anthony, you see it. Just hope TikTok not get banned. You see me?
Went to Trinidad in December. It made a big impression. And vice versa.
We are going to fuse soca with dancehall, with the gangster style, you know. You ever hear a bad man soca hit? Kill me up Sanga Carnival. Kill me up Sanga Carnival. Kill me up Sanga Carnival. Look more, me goes this with a honey, girl. Trinidad come like one carnival will not stop run. Remember say me ugly, you know, then go say, Bomba Ayetian. You see me, I don't know if I hear them see, you know. Or I face them see, but them like it, two of them, you see me? So images are a great thing. If me I did one regular somebody, they would have said, sure, Ayetian that.
What's that image that you're trying to craft?
It's the Zo look, you see me? The Z's out. I mean that, you know, one Asian, any other Asian, a babe and fling. If me have confidence, more in front of camera, because I know me ugly still.
So your ratings are up in Moby right now?
Yeah, man. So me feel, because be a two-faced people, they are still.
Why you say that?
One girl every day. One girl every day.
Anthony, you know, see people, if I fall off for tomorrow, nobody now listen to your music, you know. Only you and your mother.
What is it you want to tell Jamaicans about Haitian that you think it's important for them to know?
If me can't do it, it's not possible. If you're not dead, just go and live. The same little boy from Mumpela who do it big now. You see me, big up mother see me. One of my goals is like, go back to Ayetian, shoot a couple music videos, and even do a concert, did it? You see me? Guyana, next month, I'll be there. You see me? Oh.
New club I get renovate. Every day, every month, time, every year. Cool like lemonade, fresh like me go be addictive like nicotine, strong like she go gym. I want girl every day, every week.